Mama's upset.
Don't be upset.
But you're not giving it back to me. It's for my handbag. You might lose it.
No, I want to use it. I'm just gonna put it in my wallet. Yeah.
Do you know? Please.
Maybe now.
You can play it later when you come home.
I don't want to bring this to school.
That's right, yeah, because you might lose it at school. Please.
Of course.
Thank you, sweetheart. You're such a sweet girl. I'll just put it here, okay? You can play later when you come home, okay?
Yes, but I want to put it in a wallet.
That's right. Do you know you're a very good girl?
Because I love mommy.
Oh.
Cause I love mommy.
Aww. You're so sweet. You're gonna make Mama cry.
I'm so sweet for you.
You are, sweetie. I'm very proud of that. Love you very much.
I love you very much.
I love it.
Yes. Mama, where's the cake?
Mommy, can you hold that?
Mine?
Did you draw Mommy and Daddy and Paris? And Celine?
Yes, I think.
Thank you. Love you so much. Kiss.
Guys, sumasakit na talaga siya, guys. Kasi sumasakit na talaga yung tiyan ko, guys. Good afternoon, people. Welcome back.
What channel? What channel?
Is it your channel or our channel?
This is our channel.
Our channel.
That's my channel.
It's your channel.
Yeah.
No, it's our channel.
No, it's not
Where are you going?
school.
School. Guess what? Today is a very special day because...
It's Daddy's birthday.
Yeah! Can you sing, Daddy's?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Come here, Daddy. Happy birthday. Tell our friends how young you are.
22.
Daddy,
39.
Oh, yeah.
Daddy?
So, Daddy turned 39 today, guys. July 27th.
my arms.
Of course.
Ayan. Pero alam nyo, wala kaming plano kasi
Ready to school.
lockdown pa rin kami. I don't know, did they
Yeah.
lift
Yeah,
the restriction?
your arms are getting too big now. I think.
So, we've been in lockdown for 2 weeks now. Diba dapat 1 week lang sana. Tapos, in-extend nila ng another week. So, today, parang in-announce yata nila. Hindi ko alam. So, they announced it already, Bob?
Yeah, they announced it.
So, we're open again?
Yes.
I'm,
Come on.
Oh, starting tonight.
see.
Don't you think that's a very good gift
That is
for you?
the gift of life.
Yeah. And that's good. And have a look, oh.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Daddy, from Baby Celine.
Okay. I just bumped my head.
You just bump your head?
Yes.
Where?
Yes.
Oh, no. You know what? Last night, guys, hindi ako nakatulog ng mabuti kasi
Buddy, I'm okay.
I was in the kitchen at 4 o'clock in the morning.
I'm okay.
You're okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Oh, that's good, sweetie girl. Kasi sumasakit na yung tiyan ko. Kaya nga sabi ko, oh my God, baka lalabas sa birthday ng tatay niya. Gusto niya makipag-celebrate siguro sa tatay niya, guys. But hindi. Tinimingan ko naman yung parang pagko-contract niya and yung pain. Tapos hindi naman talaga siya I cried a little bit kasi medyo masakit na talaga siya pero hindi siya consistent yung pain. So parang lang yung Braxton Hicks na tinatawag nila, false labor. Ganun. So, not yet. We're not having a baby yet. I don't think it's going to be today, but it's not too far away. I think sometime next week na siguro, guys, lalabas na ang ating baby Celine. But, alam nyo, yun talaga yung winish Daddy Mike, diba? Kasi gusto niya talaga na magkapareha sila ng birthday ng anak niya. But, parang hindi naman natin mapupush, diba? So, yun. Anyways, so I'm just gonna take Paris to school now, guys. Alam ko, very late na anak. Baba girl. very late na, pero dadalhin ko pa rin siya kasi
I have some in my bucket.
in your pocket. Show me. Kasi kawawa naman kung hindi ko dadalhin, guys, diba? Once a week na lang siya pumupunta. Baby, show mommy.
I can show you. It's a key.
It's a key?
Yes, it is a key.
Oh, babe, show mama, halapasin kang mama na, anak.
No, that's mine keys. It's
Show me na, that's for mama's bag, I think.
No, this is little ones.
Yeah, I know it's a little one. Show mama's up quickly. I'll give it back to you if it's not for mama. Come on.
Can you do it?
Thank you very much. Oh yeah, it is for mama, Judnok. Where did you get it from?
I guess to play.
Can you please put that in there? Oh.
Mommy,
Yeah, just put it there, anak. Para sa bag ni mama.
here it is.
That's the car key. Yeah, put that key. Where's the key? Where's the little one? Can you put it here, please?
No, it's mine.
Come on, anak. Mawala na, anak. That's for mama's handbag.
No, it's my ones.
Mama's sad. Mama's upset.
Don't be upset.
But you're not giving it back to me. It's for my handbag. You might lose it.
No, I want to use it. I'm just putting my bus. I'm just gonna play my wallet. Yeah.
Sige na. Please.
Maybe now.
You can play it later when you come home. Ah,
I don't want to bring this to school.
that's right. Yeah, because you might lose it at school. Please.
Of course.
Thank you, sweetheart. You're such a sweet girl. I'll just put it here, okay? You can play later when you come home, okay?
Yes, but I want to put it in a wallet.
That's right. Do you know you're a very good girl?
Because I love mommy.
Aww. You're so sweet. You're gonna make mama cry.
I'm so sweet for you.
You are, sweetie. I'm very proud of that. Love you very much.
I love you very much.
Say bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, Daddy. We're
Ang
going
sweet talaga ng batang ito, guys.
Bye, Daddy. We're going to school and make a birthday card.
Oh, come and
Birthday. Sing one more time to Daddy. Happy birthday.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Say happy birthday, Dada.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Love you.
I love you.
I'll see you tonight. My God.
Mommy?
Did you say bye-bye, Daddy?
Yes.
Ooh. Careful na. Where are you? Baka dito.
I was too tired to open the door.
Open the door. You're so excited to open the door.
Fly.
Shush! Napay yan. Bag.
Fly, by the way. You fly, by the way. You fly, by the way.
Cause I belong to somebody. I feel. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. May mga hard rubbish na ba? Magko-collect yata sila next week. Tingnan nyo, oh. So, hindi pa kami naglabas si Daddy Mike. Sabi ko, Daddy Mike, i-check namin yung aming ang tawag dito, garahe ba? Para mailabas namin kung ano yung pwede nang i-dispatch siya. See, mga basura. Alam nyo guys, yung mga basura dyan na iba, yung mga mga magaganda pa. Come on, sweetie girl.
Mommy,
Yes, anak.
what's this one?
You always ask me about that one.
Now, what's that one?
It's a dead plant.
I don't want to step in it.
No, John, come on now. Let us go, Parasia. Go, take your bag off first. Mama will take it off you. There you go. Yes, Nat. You can do it yourself, or you want Mama to help?
I want to do it myself.
I'm sure you're a big girl.
Am I the one sing this song with my toy?
Oh, we will later, okay? So what are you gonna ask your teacher?
I like it.
What are you gonna ask your teacher when you get there? Say, you wanna make a card for?
Daddy.
Yeah, so you have the birthday card for Daddy later, okay?
Mommy, let me put the seatbelt?
Okay, come on, you sit down na because we're very late na, anak. Pila na lang kakauras dito.
Watch
Sige
me
na.
put the seatbelt.
12:37 ng hapon and kakapark lang natin dito sa harapan ng paaralan ng ating baby girl. Alam ko super late na guys, but as mentioned, once a week na lang siya pumupunta dito, kaya minabuti ko na lang nadalhin siya dito kahit ilang oras na lang siya magstay. Sobrang ano lang talaga ako last night guys, wala akong magandang tulog. I think I went to bed at 5 o'clock in the morning, kaya sobrang hagardo versosa sa atin yung ngayon at sobrang tired ako kaninang umaga, kaya late akong bumangon. Anyways, ayan na siya. Anak, you remember what you're gonna ask your teacher?
It's Dad's birthday.
Yeah, you tell your teacher it's your
Dad's birthday.
daddy's birthday, and what you gonna make?
Birthday card.
A birthday card. Sabi niya kanina sa daddy niya, I'm gonna make you a birthday card, daddy. Who else you gonna tell that it's daddy's birthday?
I don't know.
Hmm?
I don't know.
Look at here, anak.
I didn't know.
You don't know. Okay, where's your bag?
It's down there.
Do you know how to take your seatbelt off? George! George! Okay, we'll close this one now, okay?
Yes.
Pero alam niyo guys, sobrang excited siya ngayon kumpara noong 3 times a week siya pumupunta dito.
Mommy.
Wah! Kasi alam niyo, once a week, so excited na siya na makita yung mga friends niya.
I want to see this one.
You wanna see the sun? We'll come out now so we can see the sun, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so see you later, tita, in the afternoon.
See you later, Tita. Tito.
Thank you. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa harapan ng The Cheesecake Baked in Store Shop. Ayan, so bibili tayo ng cake for Daddy Mike's birthday. So wala talaga tayong gagawing celebration guys na special kasi nga 'di ba, we're in lockdown at the moment. So hindi kami makakalabas, hindi kami makakapag-dinner outside. So stuck kami sa bahay. So yung gagawin ko na lang ngayon is I get a cake and hopefully hindi ko may papakita sa kanya kasi mamaya na namin i-blow pag pick up ko kay Paris, pagkatapos ko pick up si Paris. And then what I'm going to do, yung plano ko na lang ngayon is magluluto na lang ako for dinner. That's still special, diba guys? Like it's the thought that counts. I'll make some menudo tonight with rice. Gonna have that for dinner if I feel okay. Kasi alam niyo naman si Mami guys, yung ating tiyan ngayon ay alam niyo yung nagko-contract siya, so it's getting really hard for parang few seconds tapos balik na naman siya, okay na naman siya. So I'll see how I feel. It's a bit different this time guys, no, na birthday ni Daddy Mike. Last year, lockdown pa rin, so sa bahay lang kami. But fingers crossed, tonight, diba, ililift nila yung restriction. So hopefully, by the weekend, okay na kami at makapag-celebrate kami sa labas sa Saturday or Sunday. Kung hindi pa manganganak si mami nyo, diba? Maybe sa hospital kami mag-celebrate. Bibili tayo ng dito, ng cake. We'll see kung anong available nila. But, it looks like they have a lot in there. Tingnan nyo.
A few moments later.
Time check tayo guys. It's now 5:30 ng hapon, so it's time to pick up our baby girl. Oh, guys, masakit na talaga siya, guys. Tingnan niyo. Oh, pag lumakad ako ng ganyan ba, parang akong penguin. Alam niyo yung ginawa ko? Hugas ako ng mga pinggan. Pero nagluto din ako ng turon. Kasi may naiwan pa akong turon galing sa Filipino shop. At nag-practice ako yung nilagyan ko ng sugar ba. Yung parang sa merkado bitaw. Sa amo. At si Daddy Mike, I think kakatapos lang niyang mag-work. But now, we're just gonna go Pick up Paris. Ito yung dadalhin ko sa kanya na surprise muna. So, yung ginagawa ko guys, kasi yung batang yan, nag-expect talaga yan siya ng surprise from Mami kapag pinipick up ko siya. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, I'll take this one first kasi alam kong kakainin niya. And then, I might just, you know, give her some treat. Ayan. Ito yung bigyan natin sa kanya. Hindi itong black kasi hindi siya mahilig sa licorice katulad ko. Tatlo lang naman, oh. Para maging happy din siya. And then, we will stop sa supermarket muna kasi bibili ako ng meat and vegetables para lutuin natin sa ano. And rice pala. Ah, good idea. Nakalimutan ko, wala na pala tayong rice din. So, I'll be really quick, guys. I'll try to be mabilis talaga. Kasi, oh, sobra na lang bigat-bigat and very, very movable ang ating baby. Nagihubak na ito. May kausap yata sa fan.
Yeah, good.
What did you do?
I've kicked the ball and threw it in the net.
Wow. So you kicked a goal, that's why you have a medal?
Yes.
Who gave you that?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Where's your bag? And your water bottle? Did you make a kite for Daddy?
Yeah.
Did you?
I did. Hey!
Let's go get your bag. Come on, they're gonna turn the light off now. Did you make a kite for Daddy now?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Do you mind showing it to Mommy? Oh my goodness.
Now it's going to be something.
Wow.
It's colored. That's red and pink.
Wow, that's very nice. Daddy will like it.
I think this is a birthday card.
A birthday card.
It's not. That's not ice cream.
It's not ice cream.
Yes, that's
Yeah, it's a
birthday.
card for Daddy.
Yes, it's a birthday.
Wow. That's so nice of you, honey.
And the Wi-Fi on my bottle.
Hmm?
I want my.
Oh, they closed already. Okay, we'll go that way.
Well, we still get it. I don't
How's
want.
that, Tito here?
Hi,
So how are you doing, everyone?
mommy.
Mm-hmm.
I play Sky ones. I played the Paw Patrol.
Did you play the Paw Patrol?
Yes.
How?
I'm Sky.
Show me. Show me.
Take this way. Take this way.
Let's go get your water bottle. They closed it already now. It's the lights off. What are we gonna do?
I want to get
Which juice is it?
orange.
Huh?
Orange one.
Orange?
Yes.
This one, huh? Here.
No, my other one. I want something. I want that one.
Yeah, I told you. Here. Can you carry it?
I'm
Hold it properly.
stronger.
Don't drop it.
Watch me put it in the basket. It's too heavy.
Hang on, wait a minute. Wow, good girl.
One more.
2 more.
1 minute.
Hmm?
I'm gonna see bananas.
Thank you for being there. Come on na.
Carrots.
Sige na anak, so we can go because it's very, very windy outside. Ayan guys, so nakabili na kami ng aming lulutuin tonight. Go! Did he go first? Oh yeah, I did not. Oh, that's alright. Come on, let's go.
I'm gonna talk to my vet. Come and talk to Daddy.
Oh, where's your card for Daddy?
What's this?
Meal.
What's that? Why did you get that for? Why did you get that?
I don't know.
Why did you get that, Mommy?
Yes, you do.
Who gave you the medal?
Which one?
This one. Who gave you this medal?
I don't know.
Because you kicked the ball.
That's because it keeps blowing in the net.
Did you win?
The window thing.
Oh, can I have a cuddle? I'm so proud of you.
Okay, where's your card?
Did you win the game?
Yeah.
I want to show you my card. I don't want to see the another one.
Is this for me?
Hmm?
Did you make this for Daddy?
Yes. Mama, where's the cake?
Mommy, can you hold that?
Mine.
Did you draw Mommy and Daddy and Paris? And Celine?
Yes, I think.
Thank you. Love you so much. Kiss.
7:30 na, mga peeps. Oh my God. Kakalabas ko lang ng toilet, guys. Hindi ako nag-pudo. Whatever. Pero doon ako, guys, kasi sumasakit na talaga yung tiyan ko, guys. Kagabi pa to ba? Especially pag nasa pag nakaupo ako ganun sa toilet bowl. Grabe. Sumasakit na talaga yung dito sa baba. But we'll be okay. We'll be fine, guys. Hindi pa to mga pa to siya, mga first stage pa siguro to siya. But we'll never know. Anytime she could come. Anyways, ito yung rice na binili ko, guys, oh. Ayan. Hindi ito talaga yung brand na gusto kong bilhin, pero naubusan sila kasi na half price. Kaya madaling naubos. And then ito, konti lang, guys, kasi mabigat. Ito yung lulutuin ko. So, it's the spare ribs. So, ika-cut-cut lang natin yan, dice cube. And then, we've got orange juice. Tapos, hindi ako nito. Oh, may nagtanong pala. Ano itong pinapainom ko kay Paris kapag nag-constipate si Paris? So, ito yung pinapainom ko, guys, sa prune juice. Ayan. So, minsan, hindi niya gusto yung lasa. Very strong. Nilalagyan namin ng, mix namin ng apple juice. Got mandarins. Got this one for, hugas ng plato. And then, ito na lang yung binili ko, guys, para hindi na ako mag-cut-cut ng ating carrots. So, meron tayong carrot, peas, and corn. Mabilis lang yan, guys. Diba, yung mga isang oras na hinay na tayo. Anak!
Maybe we can have a slice of the cake before we have dinner.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, I just want you to go back home.
Yeah.
Let's do that. Do that instead.
Ayan, mamasitas. Magpatulong tayo sa ating sachet. Menudo. So, yan yung lutuin natin, guys. So, menudo. So, cook rice. May ganitong fresh pa, guys. Oh, uy, very dark. Galing sa kasamahan ni Daddy Mike sa trabaho. Meron siyang garden. Hi, Nak!
Mommy,
Yes, honey. Are you gonna help Mama cook?
I
Yeah, I have something for you.
What's this? Mommy, what's that with the leaves?
That's capsicum.
Mommy, can you stand up? Oh, stand up there.
Okay. Well, you have to see here.
Can I have the popsicle, please?
It's gonna be really, really chili hot, spicy.
Okay, I don't make that.
That's right. Stay there.
What? What's
Ito
that?
pala yung binili ko kanina. Ano? Matala ka ha?
What's that one? What's that one? What's that one?
Pumunta ako ng bakery.
What is it?
Ooh!
It's a gingerbread man.
Gingerbread man for you.
Yes,
And then, ito para later pag nakaluto na tayo ng dinner. Ay. Ay, ano pa yun? Ayan. Oh, diba? Pero alam niyo, nakalimutan namin ang candle. Anyways. Okay na ay, maglulukuyot na lang sa hangin. Nak, be careful din, ha?
I'm open it.
Hmm?
I'm open it. I'm open this one.
I'm open for you.
It's a gingerbread man because it's not candy. It's gingerbread man.
It's a gingerbread man.
Not the candy. Not the candy. No.
Yun na.
Mommy, it's candy in it.
Yeah.
You can bring candy. Oh, it's a big one. Mommy, I can't use like that. I'll fall down.
You fall down. Be careful there. Sit down properly. Are you gonna help Mama cook?
I can wait it.
Okay. Guys, mag-ready muna ako ng aking lulutuin, ha? We'll come back later.
I ate the tag.
Did you eat head?
Dear Monday,
Sing it properly.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Thank
Hip,
you,
hip.
sweetheart.
Hooray!
Hip, hip.
Hooray! Hooray!
Hip, hip.
Bring it!
Come on. Come on, I want to say thank you.
We're going to cut the cake now. Paris is going to cut it.
No.
I don't.
Okay. Come here, give me a kiss.
Say happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Thank you for my cake, my love. I love you. I love you, mommy.
Love you too, Daddy. Happy birthday.
Mommy.
Mwah. Daddy cut it.
May gusto mo, Paris?
We didn't have any candles. Forgot. Yung dinner natin, yan na lang naiwan.
I'm not gonna cut my fingers.
You're not gonna cut your fingers. Daddy will cut it.
Mommy, you should have a knife, proper knife. This one's a
Huh?
this one's a butter knife.
It's not hard. That will do.
This is hard.
I think this does enough. No, that's
Okay, right. This is Paris's piece.
Wow, that's a big one.
Yes, that's a big cake.
Is that for Paris?
That's a big cake.
Yes.
Hey, guy. Say thank you, Daddy. Did you say thank you, Daddy?
Thank you, Daddy.
Didi?
Didi.